Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I keep my son's hair moisturized. He has this dry 4B hair. His coils are really tight, almost like my hair, and he never allows me to touch it, so I have to bribe him with stuff like chocolates so I can do his hair. So I'll be using product like this water mixed with conditioner in the spray bottle, coconut oil, mixed chick leave-in conditioner, yes, SHEA butter coiling coconut cream. The paper is off, don't mind me. Also this big comb if he allows me. So first I start by spraying the mixture of water and leave-in conditioner onto his hair to moisturize it. So that is all for this video. He has tough hair like his mama. So please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.